In this video, I will show you how to share TikTok link on Instagram. Maybe you have a TikTok video and you want to share the link to your Instagram followers on your Instagram story. This is how you go about it. For example, let's share one of my TikTok video. You click on the video. You click on the three dots. Click on copy link. Then as I've copied the link, I'll minimize and go to my Instagram. In my Instagram, I'll click on the three dots. I'll click on the plus sign at the top right. Then click on story. Then I'll click on camera. You click on create. Then you click on the sticker at the middle in the top. You search for link. This is the link sticker. You click on it, then you paste your TikTok link here. This way you can add a customized sticker text. Maybe you want to add something, you don't want the link to show just like that. You can add my TikTok link. Then you click on done. As you can see, it's my TikTok link. You can also add a text to it. For example, follow me on TikTok. You can move the text to wherever you want by holding and dragging. Then once it's okay, you click on the arrow sign. You now click on share. This way, click on done. Your TikTok link have been shared to your Instagram story. So let's view the Instagram story. As you can see, this is my TikTok link in my Instagram. If I should click on the link, it will direct me to my TikTok. As you can see, the link have directed me to my TikTok video that I shared the link. So guys, that is it on how to share TikTok link on Instagram. If you like the video, please like by giving me a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.